Today's weather is sponsored by McClintock Preferred Finishes, wholesale and supply store, with 2 locations, one in Paducah, Kentucky, and the other in Evansville, Indiana.
Good morning, everybody. It's January 13th, 2017. I'm meteorologist Bo Dotson. We've got freezing rain in the area this morning. Some of you have rain, some of you have freezing rain. We take a look at temperatures here over the last few hours. It's about 7:30 now. 32 in Cape Girardeau, 32 in Caro, 34 in Poplar Bluff, above freezing there. 30 degrees in Carbondale, 32 in Harrisburg, Mount Vernon 30. So you see the freezing line is somewhere right in here. And I'll show you that on radar as well. We still have a freezing rain advisory in pink, ice storm warning in purple. No changes to the advisory this morning. Now temperatures will rise through the day. So these border counties, some of you have freezing rain, some of you do not. I haven't heard from Massac County yet. Maybe New Columbia area has some ice. We'll see how it goes. Paducah 34, so you're above freezing. May hover near freezing on the next hour or two, but no worries because we will warm up today. Ever so slightly, ever so slowly as well. And again, the ground's warm, the roads are warm, and we talked about this last night. So no real surprises this morning. Take a look at radar. The pink and orangish colors here, that represents ice. Green represents rain. The yellow there, those are some heavier downpours. Now, this is a algorithm that determines where the freezing rain is occurring in the rain. So it's never exactly right, but you get the basic idea. Quite a bit of ice over about half of the region today. The freezing line is within that one county zone of where it was anticipated. Again, we talked about this, that the freezing line might be one county north or south of where it was anticipated. No real changes to the forecast. We will warm up today. Areas with freezing rain, let's say Cape Girardeau, Vienna, up here into Saline, Gallatin counties. You will warm above freezing as we move through today. It may take a little while, but we will eventually get there. Areas further north maybe take longer. Maybe it will take longer to reach the freezing mark or go above freezing. So let's say Farmington, St. Genevieve County, Randolph County, this area up here, Mount Vernon, Jefferson County, may take a little longer. We'll see how it goes. Most of the models still have that warm nudge of air later today coming in from the east and southeast, and that will help as well. Now, if you're traveling northeast or west, if you're traveling west and northwest, you're going to have a little bit more ice or ice storm warnings in the St. Louis area, central Missouri. You could have some problems with 1/2 inch ice in some areas, maybe a bit more. Central Missouri, western Missouri seems to be the heavier areas in this local region at least. And if you're traveling north, you're going to have some problems as well. We will have unsettled weather through the next few days and really into the middle of next week. On and off rain chances, warmer temperatures, above normal temperatures much of next week. No real winter in sight after we get through this little bit of freezing rain that we have going on. Be careful on your first step. That sidewalk could be icy. The porches, the decks are going to freeze quicker than the roads because, again, the roads are warm, as we've mentioned. You could have some ice in some areas and it may look wet, but with freezing rain, that black ice looks wet and it's actually ice. So be careful on that first step. A lot of people have broken bones in this kind of weather. And then be careful on those bridges and overpasses. Even if the main roads are okay, those bridges and overpasses will freeze first, and of course secondary roads, untreated roads as well. All right, I'll be on the Facebook at Bo Dotson Weather. You can ask me questions there. You can find me on Twitter under Bo Dotson as well. If you haven't signed up for the text messages, go to BoDotsonWeather.com and sign up for those and help support all the data. All right, have a nice day.